The most surprising facts about the world that you missed out on. There are so many unexpected and surprising things about the whole wide world that you probably did not see coming. So, buckle up and get ready for a trip around the world, because these fascinating facts are going to have you shocked for sure. Did you know we might be similar to giraffes? Wondering how? Watch the video to know. Spice things up. Are you a fan of spicy and savory food and like to season your dishes with chili pepper? Well, we have news for you. The world's hottest chili pepper is so hot that it could kill you. No, like literally kill you. Yeah, might want to slow down on spicing things up then. A superpower? Did you know that your nose can sense up about 400 different sense receptors? Well then, you do now. And that's the reason why people can pick up around 1 trillion different scents. Crazy, right? Chameleons and camouflage. Chameleons don't really change the color of their skin to blend in with their surroundings or objects. That actually tends to happen due to the organism's emotional as well as its physiological state, along with some other factors like light and temperature. And oh, they also do this as a way of communicating with their kind. Spider webs to the rescue. Spider webs are undoubtedly scary, but that wasn't really the case back in the days. In ancient Greece and Rome, many doctors would use spider webs as bandages for their patients, as these are said to have antifungal properties as well as abundant vitamin K. Wow! Who knew spiders would actually be helpful? The Almighty. The University of Oxford beats even the Aztec Empire by being older than it. The former was established in 1096, but the later was built and developed 332 years later in 1428. Pennies and whatnot. The roof of Arizona's Capitol building contains the amount of copper that equals to almost 5 million pennies. Whoa, that's a whole lot of change. The reality of clouds. A bright Sunday morning when the sky is a shade of pastel blue and the white fluffy clouds are dancing is just the perfect kind. But the fluffy clouds aren't as fluffy as you imagine them to be. A single cloud can weigh up to almost 1 million pounds, and the only reason clouds are able to float with this weight is that the air below them is even heavier. Whatever happened to cute, light and fluffy? Cry more. For real, crying tends to release hormones that help us to make us feel good and act like natural painkillers called endorphins. And as strange as it sounds, crying does help you to feel happier. So, who's ready for a crying session then? Strange but true. This one is about to have you confused and shocked at the same time. But Fruit Loops are all the same flavors, regardless of the different color. Don't believe it? Try it out for yourself and you'll soon realize that all the Fruit Loops taste the same. Well, sorry to burst your bubble. The relation between crocodiles and birds. This is quite a terrifying fact, but crocodiles are more closely related to birds than they are to lizards, as these share a common ancestor with the former. Not to mention, this ancestor was the same that gave rise to dinosaurs as well. Saturn can float. It's true, the planet Saturn can actually float because it is even less dense than water itself. Wow, must be nice to be this light. Bubblegum flavored broccoli. But how is that even possible? Well, it sure is, and McDonald's even managed to pull it off. And it was done primarily to trick children into eating healthier options. But unfortunately, they failed at it miserably. And the bubblegum flavored broccoli trick did not work well. Oranges were green. Surprisingly enough, the first oranges were never orange in color. In fact, they were green in color, and some oranges in the warmer region of Vietnam and Thailand continue to remain of the color green through maturity. Variations of the word snow. Scotland has as many as 421 different words just for snow. Wow, that is way too much to remember. Peanuts are not nuts. Although the name peanuts suggests that these are nuts, they are technically legumes. Too weird. Well, that's okay, you could still continue to call them nuts. But it just won't be the same anymore, right? Turkeys going red. Yes, turkeys can actually blush When these birds are scared or excited, the pale skin on their head and neck tends to go bright red, even blue or white in some cases. This tends to happen quite a lot when a male turkey sees a female they're interested in. Oh, cuties. Bees soaring high in the sky. According to National Geographic, bees can actually fly higher than the height of Mount Everest, which happens to the tallest mountain in the world. Isn't that spectacular? Experimenting gone too far. In 2015, an espresso maker was sent up in the space. How refreshing it would have felt for the astronaut to be able to take a sip of coffee so far away in the middle of planets and galaxies. Boars might just be smarter than you. Boars are probably more hygienic than you, as they tend to wash their food before eating it. It's time we start to learn something from the animals instead of them learning something from us. So, don't forget to wash your fruits and veggies before you eat them. Not enough sprinkles is a reason to be super upset. Like literally super duper upset. In the UK, a woman once called the police because her ice cream did not have enough sprinkles. Wow, the disappointment was clearly too obvious. Are you as tall as giraffes? Not really. However, the number of neck bones that a human tends to have is around the same that a giraffe has too, even though giraffes normally have a 6 feet tall neck. Well, now you know that the world really is a weirdly fascinating place. That's all from us today. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.